went down, so good to know the sewer is not clogged. See here where the wood chips got all washed out on the path in the torrential downpour. My garden still looks okay. All the new mazes is still in the ground. One of the log edgers washed out, but that's pretty minor. Pond's a little muddy. It'll settle. This is the retaining wall where it looks like the water forced out some bricks. It's been repaired long ago, before we even moved in, at least once. And yeah, it has a lean. And there's lots of little cracks. Last night there was water pooling all above the top level there. You can see where it all washed out the mulch. It was pouring through some cracks here. But yeah, not too bad. I've seen worse. The new flagstone path, that held up really well. This one did too, other than a little washout here. New cobblestone base held up better than I thought. Still keeping the lemon thyme covered. Chickens seem to like it a little too much, keep pulling it out. But yeah, this isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. You can see where the water washed through the chicken area. All the wood chips came out. Came through here. Right underneath the compost bin there in that corner. So yeah, we'll have to replace the wood chips, rake them out of the turf area. But yeah, it could have been a lot worse.